Good morning, dear one. There is a teaching that has been whispered for centuries. Louise Hay gave it a voice of love, and Neville Goddard gave it the name of law. The teaching is this: you do not become and then assume. You assume and then you become. This morning we are going to do something different. We are going to speak as if it is already done, and we are going to feel it in the body until the body believes it. Take a deep breath with me now. Feel the air fill your lungs. Feel the chest rise and release, slowly, gently. Place your hand on your heart. Feel it, the steady, faithful rhythm beneath your palm. Your heart has been beating without your instructions since the moment you arrived in this world. You did not earn this rhythm. It simply is. And that, dear one, is the first assumption your body ever made: I am alive, and so I continue. Take another breath with me. Feel your body settle into the surface beneath you. Let yourself be held. You are safe here. This is sacred time. Nothing is required of you except your presence. Now, I want to be clear about what we are doing this morning. This is not ordinary affirmation. These are Louise Hay affirmations, taken deeper, spoken from the end, the way Neville Goddard taught. Louise Hay taught us that the words we speak to ourselves become the home we live in. She taught us to say, I love and approve of myself, until the body stops flinching and starts believing. That teaching changed millions of lives. But beneath her loving words lies something she pointed toward: the law of assumption. Neville Goddard named it clearly: what you assume to be true in your inner world, your outer world must eventually reflect. Not because you earned it, but because assumption is the operant power of consciousness. When Louise Hay said, I am worthy, she was not making a wish. She was assuming the state of the person who already knows their worth and living from that state until the world rearranged to confirm it. You do not become and then assume. You assume and then become. The affirmation is the assumption spoken aloud. The feeling is the assumption felt in the body. When word and feeling become one, the bridge of incidence begins to form. So this morning we speak lovingly, the Louise Hay way, but from the end, the Neville Goddard way. Say it with me now. It is done. It is done. It is done, and the law is already responding. Close your eyes, dear one. Take a breath with me. Repeat after me. Let each word settle in your body. I am not waiting for my life to begin. My life has already begun. My life has already begun. I am not becoming worthy. I am already worthy. I am already worthy. I am not chasing abundance. Abundance is my natural state. Abundance is my natural state. I am not hoping to be loved. I am loved completely, starting with myself. I am loved completely, starting with myself. I am not trying to heal. Healing is moving through me right now. Healing is moving through me right now. I love and approve of myself exactly as I am today. I love and approve of myself exactly as I am today. My body is healthy, strong, and vibrant. My body is healthy, strong, and vibrant. I am safe. All is well in my world. I am safe. All is well in my world. I release all resistance and allow miracles to flow. I release all resistance and allow miracles to flow. I am deserving of all good things, and they come to me easily. I am deserving of all good things, and they come to me easily. Everything I need is already within me. Everything I need is already within me. I trust the process of life. I trust the process of life. Prosperity flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Prosperity flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Take a breath. Now we go deeper. I assume my desire is already fulfilled. I assume my desire is already fulfilled. I do not need to see it to know it. I feel it, and therefore it is. I feel it, and therefore it is. My body knows what my mind is affirming. Every cell in my body is saying yes. Every cell in my body is saying yes. I am not asking permission to thrive. I am thriving. I am the sign. I am the sign. What I assume this morning, my day must obey. What I feel this morning, my world must reflect. What I speak this morning, the law must fulfill. Now speak gently to the part of you that doubts. I love you, the part of me that is afraid. I see you. I am not leaving you behind. I am not leaving you behind. But you, my fear, are no longer in charge. My assumption is in charge. My knowing is in charge. My knowing is in charge. I forgive myself for every moment I assumed the worst. I was doing the best I could with what I knew. Now I know better, and I assume better. Now I assume better. Whatever you are calling into your life right now, name it silently. Feel it as if it has already arrived. I assume my specific desire is already mine. It is done. It is done. It is done. Let your body receive what we have spoken. You have assumed. Now let the assumption do its work. Place your hand on your heart again. Feel that faithful rhythm. You are not the same person who sat down this morning. You are the person who has assumed. I am at peace with what is already done. I release the need to control the how. I release the need to control the when. The law does not require my management. It only requires my faithfulness. I remain faithful to my assumption. I remain faithful to my knowing. Let your breath slow. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your hands open. You are receiving. You are allowing. You are assuming. Precious one, if this morning practice has shifted even a small thing inside you, know that your assumption is already working. If you want more mornings like this, more Louise Hay affirmations blended with the law of assumption, please subscribe and join me here every morning. I am building this bridge with you. Take one more breath with me. You assumed it this morning. Therefore it is done. Carry this knowing with you today, dear one. Not as a hope, as a fact. And so it is.